justify, just keep building, multiply, and grow. Let it go. Law of least effort, let life manifest, progress effortlessly. For me, just do it, worry for what? It's a waste of time, clutters up the mind. Like us, don't try too hard, you put too much on it. Let down your guard, you're haunted. By what? Be a dumpy conqueror, alleviate the weight on top, yes, bomber clock. Step and razor, the red X-Tape. Don't let the life and times of Peter Tosh get lost. Commemorate him, celebrate us, give thanks and praise and get on the bus. Come ride with us, we represent you and yours by merchant shows, support indie tours, independent, being self-governed, diversify talents or you might get ousted. Banner shed, left out for dead, understand contracts will be written and read thoroughly, or of course there'll be discrepancies, things fall apart easily. Brainstorm, documented on tracks, replenishing this hip-hop, yo, let's bring it back.
You remember back when hip-hop was fun?
Cold chillin' at parties without the fear of guns. Spraying up the place by some ignorant brother, keeping it real, real inconsiderate. I remember back when hip-hop was fun, when having a good time was still number one, when skills to get it out was how respect was won. Yeah, it's time to take it back. Back to the future, reverse the hypnosis, re-hypnotize, resurrect the optimist. Wild style and Star Wars need to be revisited. The younger generation must have missed it. Getting up, spray can art, lost scriptures of our culture, a crucial part to be hip-hop America, death of rhythm and blues. George Nelson, just to name a few. Dropping clues, subtle little hints of what it means to me when I say represent. Intent, original motives, motivate the ghetto youth to commence participation. Make it possible to reach this level, just the beginning, don't get comfy and settle here. Next year, next pinnacle, bring it back to the future, man, how far you wanna go?
You remember